Easy and delicious cabbage stir-fried vermicelli. Shred half a cabbage. Whisk 3 eggs until well combined. Prepare the sauce by mixing light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken bouillon, and 13 spice powder in another bowl. Heat oil in a wok. Stir-fry the egg mixture until cooked and set aside. Add a little more oil. Stir-fry minced garlic until fragrant. Add cabbage and carrot shreds. Stir-fry until soft. Add soaked vermicelli, fried eggs, and the sauce. Stir-fry quickly and evenly. Sprinkle with chopped scallions and serve. Simple and tasty. Give it a try. Super easy beef and onion rice bowl. So simple and delicious. Slice the onion into thin strips. Then, mix light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and water in a bowl. Boil water, add ginger and scallions. Blanch the beef slices briefly, then take them out right away. Heat oil in a pan. Stir-fry the onion until fragrant. Pour in the beef slices and the prepared sauce. Cover and simmer 2 minutes. Let the beef soak up the sauce. Finally, sprinkle with chopped scallions and white sesame seeds, and it's ready to serve. Fry to marinated marbled pork chops in a pan until golden on both sides, then remove. Leave the remaining oil in the pan. Add chopped onions and apple chunks, then put the pork chops back in. Add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and brown sugar. Pour in water until it covers half of the pork chops. Add fermented bean curd sauce. Simmer covered on medium-low for 20 minutes. High heat to thicken sauce. Flipping occasionally. Cut into pieces, plate, and drizzle with the rich sauce. Juicy with fruity, sweet, savory note. Try it. Simple lettuce recipe. Add minced garlic and lard, then place in the lettuce and low-sodium light soy sauce. Cover and simmer over medium heat for 3 minutes. No need to stir-fry over high heat. Give it a quick toss, then serve and enjoy. Enjoy delicious sausage toast at home. It's super easy in just a few steps. First, squeeze ketchup and salad dressing onto a slice of toast. Cut a thawed sausage in half and place the pieces neatly on top. Then cover everything with plenty of shredded mozzarella cheese. Drizzle another layer of ketchup and salad dressing. Pop it into an air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. Give it a try now.